Alright, this is starting at our house. There's the tree that fell in half across the road. You can see they did a nice job chopping it up. And there it is. This is the Schweitzers. They, of course, are perfect. No issues at all. These are the neighbors I don't know. And they lost some big trees. Very lucky they didn't hit anything, is my report. Here we go. More of these guys. Excellent. Looks like some papos up there. I've been slicing up some trees. I can see right there. And as we continue along here on the street, whose name I don't know. Maybe it's West Branch. Yeah, we could still be in West Branch. Life looks good. New house. You know, they're fine because they have no trees. So that's good for them. House for sale constantly. Also fine. Still lakefront. These guys seem to have lost some trees here. Fallen down. Gonna have to be taken care of. I don't know if I'll do it or not. And then we take a right. There's one on the power line. So that's an issue. Here are some papos walking around. And we took that right. And you can see some problems. You want to know why you're not going to have power for a while? How about this guy? Alright, so once they figure out this fella, then they're going to have to say that wire probably doesn't belong there. And then you're going to get this guy up here. So that's not very good. Tough. Alright. But I can drive by, so I got some skills. And this guy's doing alright. This guy over here, here's your winner. You want your winner? How lucky is this guy? I mean, so lucky. Unlucky / lucky. Could have destroyed that entire house. Wow. Wow. So that's that guy, who we don't know. How about this guy over here? Want to see another guy who's lucky? Look at this fella. Look at this guy right here. That's a guy. Look at that. Can you see? Do you have perspective here? Yeah, just trees falling down. And then we take a right on Broad Street, which seems to be on an angle now. I guess that was Cavalry. We're at 335 on the video here, just so you know. Alright. Take Cavalry. I don't know where this leads to. Maybe the Merit or something like that. Let's see. Not so bad. Not so bad. You can see it leads to Weston Road. I've got a car coming. Looking good. Using that silly voice for no reason. And our tour might be ending. Gonna stop ahead. Got another guy coming that way. And there's no electricity, obviously. So we got these man-made stop signs. Alright. Bye.